Hi everyone, good morning. So today onwards we are starting our regular sessions, Oracle Fusion Finances, a real-time training. Okay, it's been like 2 months duration. Okay, as we discussed already. Okay, let me go to agenda. What we'll discuss today. So introduction and building a confidence with each other. Okay, course structure, opportunities with the course what we are learning. Okay, then salary packages, main important. But our end goal is the salary only. If everyone is moving to from switching your jobs or searching for any career opportunity, its end goal is the salary package. Okay, these are the main five things we are going to discuss. Okay, it is like 30-minute session. It's not like so direct session. Okay, now let me go into our Excel. So myself Bala. Okay, you can call me Bala. Anything you can call. Okay, no problem. So I'm having overall 30 years of experience. Okay, currently working in one of the top MNC as a project architecture. Okay, so this is brief introduction about myself. Okay, it's been my fourth batch. This is okay regarding the batch as well. Okay, so in these four batches, okay, there are people like five people, three people, six people, six students, five students are enrolled in the current batches. Okay, almost 5 to 6 people got the offer letters. They already joined in the top MNCs, and they have cracked the jobs independently. There is no interview support. There is no proxy because they have already completed their course in outside means other institutes. So they were struggling to crack the jobs because they don't have any real time hands-on real time experience. Okay, so once they enroll in the course, okay, it's been like 3 months or 2 months or 4 months. It's been like earlier also I have been going through the online sessions. Okay, so now highest package from our institute, it's been like 23 LP package. Okay, uh, she got like 23 LP package and she is having around 12 years of experience. Okay, earlier her package was like 9 LP. Okay, so she got almost a 23 LP package. Now she started working. Okay, and other couple of offers are like one student got 20 LP package. She also started working. It's been like 2 months. Okay, and there are a couple of guys who got opportunities. Like they were working as a end users. Okay, 5 years experience, 4 years experience. Now they got one guy got a 10 LP package, another guy got like 8.5 LP, and there are a couple of offers which are in pipeline. So like second round has been cleared, first round has been cleared. We are waiting for the offers. Okay. So moreover, what I want to see is my agenda. The student has to crack the job without any independency because there should not be any dependency. If there is a dependency, always there is a dependency. You depend on someone. Your job is not. Your job will be in your. Always it should be in your hand. It should not be in someone's hand. Okay. Make sure whatever we are going through the sessions. Okay. We'll explore together. See, always it has to be a teamwork. It is not an individual. Okay. Always, if I need anything, I'll reach out to you. If you need anything, you can reach out to me. We both can explore and we can achieve for your goal. So my main goal is the students who are struggling outside. It's been like 1 year or 2 years. The student has to crack the job independently. Once that student is cracking a job independently, it is a big achievement. Okay, when the student can crack the job, until unless he has a proper guidance, proper exposure on the real time, how as a consultant, how he can deal it. Okay, the communication also very important. Okay, everything is matter, not only to attending the session. Okay, 2 months, 60 days. No, even communication, even how you talk. Okay, the vocabulary, how you use it, each and every minute thing is very important. Okay, make sure you follow the instructions. If you get any doubts, if you are stuck in anywhere, don't hesitate to message me or call me. Always you can anytime just message me or call me. Okay, so I have almost two numbers, so three numbers. One is like institute number, another one is my personal number, who is like we are like in WhatsApp group. Okay, there is one more number I will provide you. So total three numbers are there. Is one more mentor who is my brother Banu is there. I'll provide his number also. He is also available in the institute always. Okay, he is also working now. He is working in Deloitte company. Okay, He will also guide you. Okay. And before going to the course structure, it is a 60 days course online. So Monday to Friday. Let me complete this one. Or can you want to introduce yourself, or just can I go it? How this course will be? How what the structure? If you want to introduce, you can just quickly you can introduce 1 minute within the short time. Do you want to introduce? No problem. Let me go through it. Okay. So why we have to choose whether you are enrolled or not enrolled in the course? Why we have to opt for the Oracle Fusion Finance? Why there is a so much demand for the Oracle Fusion Finances in the job market, in the present job market? Okay. Now let's go to ERP application. Okay. So most of the people you are aware of the SAP, Tally, other applications like PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, EBS. These are the ERP software applications. Okay, for the finance. Okay. Now everybody can tell that SAP is the number one ERP application. Are you agree? Do you agree with me? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
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 Balu.
yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
Balu.
please respond. See, in my session, it should be always interaction. One way interaction, it won't work any day. If there is something, then I'll stop it. Let's explore it. Because if I'm going, keep on going and telling, it won't work. Always respond yes or no. If you have questions, ask. There is no stoppage to. You should not ask any question in between. Only you can ask question in the end of the session. End of the session, it will be 1 hour. Then you will be forgetting the whatever you want to ask. Okay. Whenever if you have a question, just raise your hand, or maybe you can ask it anytime. Okay. Oracle Fusion Financials. And this ERP software application, the cloud based. Okay. What is a cloud? Okay. Earlier, if you observe like 10, 15 years, 20 years back, okay, in the system, okay, we should have the data should be in the system. Okay. So you have to go to office. Okay. You have to work there only in particular campus or particular office area. You have to work particular system. You have to work because the data is stored in the particular computer. Okay. Now, okay, so at the time earlier data, if there is any any issues like any fire accidents, okay, like any natural calamities, okay, like maybe earthquakes, anything happens at the time. If anything crashes that computer or anything crashes that office, the data cannot be restored like 10 years or 15 years back. Now everything is a cloud one. In cloud, you can operate your work with the cloud base. You know not required any a particular storage one where you can save it. If the data is saving in the cloud. Okay, this is URL based. Okay, so if anything happens, any calamities, anything happens, nothing to hurry because your storage is storing in the cloud one. There is no particular system it is storing. There is no particular office it is there that we have to store. So it is a cloud based, very easy one. Nobody can steal it. Okay, it is available lifetime. Okay, based on that, the companies are choosing the cloud based ERP applications. Okay, now now, why are we moving to one of any career? If you are moving to any career, first what we have to think, we have to choose, is it worthy? Is there any job market if I learn this course? Okay. Now, as of now, everybody is aware of the SAP is the top ERP application. Okay. Now, always remember, if there is a topmost a trending SAP, it's been almost 35 years. As per me, it's been 35 years, the SAP. Okay. Now, supply, you have to compare it, and demand. This is the two things that we have to compare it. What is the supply for the SAP? What is the demand for the SAP in the market, in the current market? It's been a topmost ERP application. I agree. It's been 35 years. Supply. Okay. If there are 10 openings. Okay. Okay. 10 supply is like 10,000. Demand is only 10. Means there are 10 openings for the SAP consultants. Okay. But for that particular job, how many students are, how many job holders are applying? 10,000 to 20, 30,000 applications are going. So there is a huge competition. Agree? There is a
Yes.
huge competition for SAP. If you take any company, any startup, anything, just you can observe, you can search in Naukri, Google, anywhere you can search. If there is 10 opening, you will receive 10,000 application for the SAP. This is a common thing. You can ask anywhere you have seen. Okay. This is a common one. And SAP and Oracle Fusion, any other application. We are going with the, our background is a BCom or MBA. Okay. Most of the people are from the BCom or BA, whatever it may be, MBA. We are learning. Suppose we are choosing a technology 100% zero coding technology. Okay. Oracle Fusion is a zero coding. We have two types. One is functional. This is a functional consultant. Our role should be, our designation is a functional consultant. And we have technical. Technical means coding involved. Okay. Now we have chosen 100% zero coding ERP technology. That is the Oracle Fusion Financials. Okay. There is a 0%. Not even, you are not going to write any coding in the particular this ERP application. As a functional consultant, you are only going to design it. Okay. Technical, there should be SQL. Okay. Minimum SQL is required. Okay. So there will be in-depth also VBSS, everything is involved in technical. So we are not going. Okay. Moreover, now SAP I have explained, zero coding I explained. In SAP, there are T codes are there. You have to remember T codes. Okay. So this is a long story is there for SAP. Now, why Oracle Fusion Financial is a having a huge demand in the market? Why customers are moving to Oracle Fusion Financial, like Oracle products? Products. Okay. So Oracle is having, Oracle is a product. Okay. This company has so many sub products. Okay. Like PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, EBS, NetSuite. There are so many ERP application already available. Okay. Oracle has designed it. Okay. It's been like 20 years, 30 years, they are using it. Okay. Why? Again, Oracle has came up with the Oracle Fusion. Okay. What Oracle has implemented is, what they have done is, from existing ERP application. Existing ERP applications, like whatever PeopleSoft, okay, EBS, NetSuite, JD Edwards. These are the ERP applications that Oracle has produced or designed earlier. Okay, still these ERP applications are available in the market. Still, companies are using, clients are using. Okay, now Oracle, what Oracle has done, they have implemented Oracle Fusion. They have designed it, Oracle Fusion. Base, what is the base to implement it? Base, what they have taken, suppose in PeopleSoft, there is a HCM. Okay, out of all HCM, HCM, financials, product, everything in PeopleSoft, the functionalities what Oracle has produced or what delivered they have, so they are designed in PeopleSoft. Supply chain management functionalities are very high level compared to any other ERP application. Okay, from supply chain management, they have taken a base from the PeopleSoft. Okay, and this is a base for them in Oracle Fusion. Next, EBS. They have taken in EBS, they have taken financials. Okay, NetSuite, they have taken HCM. Okay, in JD Edwards, they have taken maybe reports. Now, this is a base for them. Okay, they have taken this is the reference. Okay, they only designed this application. Now, what they have done is they made it one new product that is called Oracle Fusion, where every ERP application like SCM, financials, HCM, okay, product, okay, in technical side, okay, everything is in the one platform. One platform, whereas you can use in single core without any software installation in the particular laptop or desktop. There is no other software required to download or install it. Okay, and functionalities, main thing the functionalities, you call it as a features. Okay, functionalities compared to any other ERP application in the current ERP application, Oracle Fusion is the one of the best ERP application as per my experience, as per the current market. Okay, and this ERP application is a user friendly application. So there is no coding required. Okay, you can use through your mobile. You can log into your mobile. Okay, if you have tab, laptop, anywhere you can use it. Just you require the internet and you require the URL. That instance is the required. Okay, right. Now this is the global ERP application, not limited to any region or any country. It is a global product. Remember that whenever we are going to learn any course or anything, that we have to look at out whether this technology is a global wise or it is a limited to particular countries, particular regions. We have to check that one. It's a global product. Okay, global product is always a advantage for us. If not today, tomorrow. It takes some time, but it should be ready. Now, compared to demand. Now, SAP, it's been 35 years gone. Now, Oracle is now number one product in the ERP application. You can check in the Google, the revenue as per the revenue as well. Oracle is now number one product. Now, same thing I'm taking. Okay. Demand 10 only I'm taking. Same thing. Okay. What about supply? How many people are coming? I have seen a live. Okay. If there are 30 openings. Okay. Let's take about face to face or maybe online, whatever it may be. Okay. I am saying 20 only. There is no supply. Now demand is there, supply is not there. Means we have the fair chances. If you learn the particular training, if you complete end-to-end training, okay, if you start exploring, then you have a fair chances. There is a less competition. So there is a less competition. So you tell me now which is the best way to select it, choose it. Supply, demand is there, but still supply is not there in the market. And moreover, salary package. Okay. Now Oracle has fixed not only Oracle, most of the many ERP ERP application we are as a working consultant. Now there is a slab for 3 years. Okay, each year. Let's suppose experience. Let's go with the experience. If you are carrying a good amount of experience, like suppose you are having like 10 years experience. Okay, for 10 years experience, now as a slab you can get 30 LP package. That is the minimum package. But how you perform in the interview, how you talk with HR, what is your expectation package, it depends on you. Okay, but 1 year it is a 3 LP, 10 years 30 LP. Okay, suppose you are having 10 years of experience. Now we are keeping only 5 years as a relevant experience because we don't have full hands-on experience as a 10 years. We are going with only 5 years with the relevant experience. Okay, then you have chance of 15 LP is the max. So if you are working as an end user, okay, if you are working as a already consultant, okay, now you want to shift to Oracle Fusion financial side. Okay, now let's take experience of 5 years. Now you are already carrying it 20 LP. Okay, you are already consultant. Now you want to move from HCM or SCM, okay, any OIC, you are moving to Fusion financials. Okay, you can same experience. Okay, if you are if you want to shift it, now there is a chance of 26 LP is the max as per my experience because I am also switching. It is a common nowadays. You can switch from any domain to any domain. Okay, 26 LP is the maximum for the 5 years because you are having 5 years. I told you for 5 years, 3 lakhs is 1 year, 15 LP. But you have to see that what is your the present salary, the present seat is matter. If you are carrying with the 20 LP with the 5 years experience, then you want to move to financials, you can negotiate to up to maximum 26 LP. Okay, this is in the high ranges. Now we are not going with this ranges. Now I am going with the ranges like I need an opportunity. As a student, always think positive. I need an opportunity. Now I am having 6 LP. Okay, end user. Just take it as okay. Now, as a student, my goal is move from non-IT to IT. My goal, my first goal, same 5 years experience. I am searching for the 6 LP. That is the worst thing that you can decide. Your first goal is the moving from non-IT to IT. Then, if you get same package, you are ready to go. You should not reject because what is your first goal? Moving from non-IT to IT. If you get opportunity 6 lakhs, you have to move. Then expectations. 5 years, you can expect 9 LP. That is the maximum. You can, if you work another 3 years or 4 years in the same 9 field, you can reach up to 7 LP because every year you will based on the your CTC, you may get like 7%, 6%. It like maybe 28,000, 30,000. It will take like another 6 years to get 1 lakh. Am I right? Then you are at least keep an expectation below expectation 9 LP. Okay. Now beyond the expectations. Same thing you are keeping 5 years, 15 LP. You are always quote for the 15 LP. Okay, 15 LP, 16 LP. If you receive 14 LP, then it's a good thing that is happening to you. Your hard work is now getting a payoff. But you prepare for the first one. Okay, just you want to move. What is your first goal? Opportunity. That expectation, less expectation. Then if you get good like behind the expectation, if you are getting 14 LP, then this 14 LP is the hard work whatever you are doing in the 4 months or 5 months. Always keep below expectation. Don't keep high expectation on the salary packages, everything, because you should prepare in a such a way that there is no high expectation on the learning. If you are focusing on the only salary packages, you never be satisfied. Focus on the course, focus on the subject. Always subject matters. If you have the subject, definitely you may get C. You may get 20 LP also if you perform well in the interview. If you code 22 LP, you may get 20 LP. If you code 20 LP, you may get 18 LP. It depends on how you perform in the interview, how you explore it as a subject. Always subject matters. Subject is the priority. Okay, and including the subject, communication, because you are going to work as a consultant, not as an end user, because you have to deal with the stakeholders like business stakeholders, and you have to take a calls with the, not, it is not like every day you will take. Whenever there is a call, at least you have to manage, you have to talk properly. Whatever you are communicating, that should understand the stakeholders. Whatever stakeholders are explaining, you should understand, because their accent is very different. So they are from the different countries. Okay, few countries they don't know the English. You have to be very polite. You have to talk polite. You have to record it. You have to complete that recording twice or thrice. Okay, and in the whenever you prepare edit documents, you have the copilot, you have the chart, you can use it. But whenever you are writing emails also, you can use it. But live you cannot use it. Whenever you are in the call, you cannot use the chat GPT copilot. But basic communication is very important, whatever how you communicate. Okay, now this is a package, this is what you want to achieve, this is your career goal. Okay, I am requesting 6 months. This is a peak one, 6 months. Consistency. Always consistency should be there. Without consistency, you cannot achieve anything. I'm telling you straightforward. If you are working one day, then if you are not working 1 week, it won't work. Okay. Now, any questions on the above one? What is this technology? What is the job market? Around the globe, it is having. And Dubai, I'm telling you, the Middle East countries, they are not ever imagined. In recently, one of my friend also gone to Dubai, Middle East countries, 80 LP package, no tax, no tax. Okay, 8 years experience. Okay, now there are couple of friends or couple of colleagues who are working in IT since long back, maybe 12 years, 13 years. It is a coding, 100% coding jobs only, like Python, Java. There are so many things, sir. These are the coding jobs. Their packages, their current packages are 10 LP. You can't imagine. We are in a assumption that IT jobs are like they will earn like 30 LP, 40 LP. No. One of my friend recently told me is earning 10 LP and is working in one of the topmost MNC in since 5 years, and is carrying a 10 years of experience. His package was like 12 LP. I was very shocked. Okay, so now people are crazy about this Oracle Fusion. Okay, zero coding. They don't want to take any pressure. If there is a coding, you have to write it. You have to implement it. It is a very difficult to write coding. Now this Oracle Fusion, okay, ERP application, how you operate your mobile settings, everybody is aware. ఓకే, మీ అందరికి మొబైల్లో మనకి సెట్టింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ సెట్టింగ్స్ ఎలా ఆఫ్ ఆఫ్ చేయడం కానీ ఆన్ చేయడం కానీ ఎలా అయితే చేసాం, దాన్ని బట్టే మన మొబైల్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. సపోజ్ మీది డ్యూయల్ సిమ్ అనుకోండి, ఓకేనా, మీరు ఎందులోకి వెళ్ళి కాల్ చేయాలి, సిమ్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళి కాల్ చేయాలా, సిమ్ 2లోకి వెళ్ళి కాల్ చేయాలా, యూ కెన్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, లేదా మొబైల్ డేటా ఉంది, సిమ్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళి మొబైల్ డేటా యూజ్ చేయాలా, సిమ్ 2లోకి వెళ్ళి యూజ్ చేయాలా. ఓకేనా. లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్లో పెట్టాలా, ఆన్లో పెట్టాలా, ఓకేనా. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎంత ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి మనకి, మన సెట్టింగ్స్ చూస్తే, మన మొబైల్ సెట్టింగ్స్. ఆర్కల్ ఫ్యూజన్ కూడా, ఈ ఫినాన్షియల్స్, ఈ ఆర్కల్ ఫ్యూజన్ కూడా సేమ్. ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్, వెరీ ఈజీ. బట్ students are not able to crack, not able to get the subject. Means they are going with the dream of packages, not with the subject. Go with the subject. It may take some, there is a process. What is the, I think now most of the people in this forum, I think 1990s batch. Not, we are not a Gen Z kids. Gen Z means a 2000 2005 batch. So 1990, patience and process you have to follow. Without, see, everything there is a process. You cannot skip a process. Suppose, simply I'm telling, for any product or anything, okay, you cannot, after marriage, within 1 month you cannot get a baby. Am I right? Straightforward. There is a process. 9 months is a process. Once conceived, it will take time. Any product in the market also, there is a process to complete it. There is no shortcuts. We should not skip this process. Once you are skipping this process, means there is a something lacking. Means you are not up to the your dedication, your commitment. Don't try for the shortcuts. If you are trying for shortcut, then there itself ending with your goal. Whatever you have started your goal, like you want to start your career as a, with the subject you want to move, then if you are starting with the shortcuts never help you. You should have patience, okay, never give up, okay, and process you have to follow. It takes some process. And moreover, my request, don't resign and start your learning any course. Don't resign your current job, okay. People are resigning jobs and going for the courses. One of the worst things that students are doing, and struggling a lot to crack the job. Their dream is, per month they have to get 1 lakh, whatever it may be. Once they join, 1 week or 2 weeks, they will ready with the resume. Anna, can you keep resume? Can I start now? You don't know anything, you don't know application, you don't know anything, but you want to start your career as a consultant. Without knowledge, it is very, very impossible. Okay, right. This is the fact, the real time. I'm telling you, reality. You can go and search anywhere. You can ask your colleagues. Don't keep high expectation. Learn something. Okay, something is better than nothing. Okay, just you're upgrading your skills. Okay, the amount for the course also, you can compare to any institute, or no problem. 25k is okay. Now you can just imagine, you have completed your education, everything. It's been like uh, 17 years or 18 years. You have completed your 50, maybe 10 years. Maybe you should have been spent like 1 lakh or 2 lakhs for your education. Now 25 LP, if you learn perfectly, if you have dedication, then your life will be changing. Your career should be changing. Okay. Always, once you're invest your time. Time is very, very important. Forget about your 25k. Forget about, once you invest this 25k, forget it. Don't keep on think about I paid so much. I don't think. Just forget it. If you pay 1 LP also, forget. Don't think about your investment. You should not think about your investment. Just invest it and forget it. One day will come that you will forget everything. That 1 LP will pay off you like 20 LP, 30 LP. Okay, these are the basic things that I want to tell you, that these are the reality what is going outside. Okay, now coming to course one. Okay, course duration 2 months. Okay, as a reality, as a fact. Okay, you cannot learn everything in one go. Okay, it takes 1 year, 2 years to learn entire course. Okay. Now to get an opportunity, okay, and to survive in the any organization, what is required is whatever current companies are hiring is they are hiring for only experienced candidates. Okay, this 2 months course, I am not going to train you like simple things only theory part. No, we are going to explore like real time as a consultant how you have to approach, what should be your approach. Okay, how you have to deal it. Okay, what are the steps you have to follow, what are the documents you have to follow. Everything we are going to cover it in the 2 months. Okay, these 2 months is very crucial. You have to attend regular sessions. Without attending regular session, it is very difficult because pending sessions you cannot understand. Suppose regular Monday to Friday. Okay, 1 hour. Now you complete till Wednesday. Again, student came on Monday without completing the recording sessions. Okay, student came on Monday attending the session, live session. Is student is attending the live session on Monday. Thursday, Friday, student did not attend. Okay, and he did not complete the recording sessions which are available in the drive. He did not go through it. He is very busy person. Okay, he came for the live session on Monday. Now I am taking a session, maybe other different concepts. Okay, the person is only attending, only present is there. Okay, but he is not understanding anything whatever I am telling. It is like you are going to watch a movie after interval or before interval. Or do you think that you will understand anything whatever I am going through the session? Now who is going to lose the opportunities in future? Who is going to affect? Is it me? Is it trainer or is it student? Student. Always there is a for kind. Okay, there are two sides. You should always think about from your side as well as the trainer. If trainer is not teaching properly, you should ask, Anna, can you tell me this? I have gone through this. You should approach it. If student is not following, if trainer doesn't can't help you. Trainer will tell you reminders. Please attend the sessions. Please complete the recording sessions. Please attend the mock interviews. Please complete the assignments. Trainer will tell you, but trainer will not come to your home and keep the sit and watch your sessions. He cannot insist you because you are not a school kids. We are a grown up. We are a working professionals. If you are committed, if you are dedicated to your goal, about 2026 December 31st is your goal to get a good salary package, good as a consultant job, then there should not be any excuses. Nobody will listen. Try to understand as a reality. Nobody will listen. Don't tell any excuses. If you tell 100 excuses also, nobody will listen. Always keep up your goal. Try to achieve that goal. Everything is possible. There is nothing. There is no rocket science in the learning. Okay, and moreover, compared to any institute or any trainings, I told you the real time is very difficult. You never get any real time outside. You can approach anything because I have gone through the level where I have checked it other students. My friends are enrolled in different institutes because nowadays there is no value for the free of things. Okay, there is no value for the free of things. Okay, and I am a challenge. I can challenge you if you compare to, see, brand is a temporary but content is always there. Content is permanent, brand is only temporary. You should remember, if superstar Mahesh Babu is a superstar, but you cannot think that is every movie is a blockbuster. Am I right? Anybody in the superstar, everybody in any field, you might be a superstar, you might be Virat Kohli, but you cannot expect him to score a century in every match. Am I right? So skill matters. End of the day, skill is matters. Your knowledge is matter. Okay, whatever you are learning, you have to explore it. Don't keep it with you. Try to communicate with your friends. Try to communicate with your colleagues who are in the batch. Okay, try to discuss the same concept. How you want to elaborate. Okay, try to talk only in English. These are the basic requirements from your side. Until unless these requirements are not from your side, nobody will help you. You can pay 1 crore also, you may get job, but survival is very important. Okay, we have seen there are so many things, 100% job guarantee, everything. No, that is nobody will give that 100% job. If you are not doing anything, how you can expect 100% job guarantee program? Nobody will help you. Okay, so plan such a way that you are sticking to your consistency every day. 4 hours is a minimum. Like I know everyone is working every day 4 hours, minimum 4 hours. Okay, and moreover, I am providing an instance as well for practice. Whatever we are going through the session, I am also providing a instance to practice it. Until unless you practice, until unless you go through the hands-on experience, you cannot understand anything. Okay, that instance is free until you get your job. I am not charging anything. Okay, and we have the materials. Okay, so we have the every module, we have the material that I will share in the these are stored in the drive. I can give the access. Okay, recording sessions, drive access. Okay, so every session will be loaded in the drive, so you will have the drive access. You can complete your practice by watching it, or you can make it a note as well. Okay, materials. Next, assignments. Okay, mostly alternative, every week or every 2 weeks we will have the assignments. Mock interview. Okay, it is like mock interview, there is no specific. Suppose you have completed one module. Suppose general ledger you have completed, suppose. Okay, you cannot, you should, suppose if I say mock interview is there tomorrow, then you will prepare. So what I am doing is I am not telling any mock interviews. Most of the time I am asking a question in the live sessions. Okay, because we are mostly going with the real time support issues. So real time issues, how as a consultant what approach you have to. So most of the time in live session only you will get the question, cross question. Maybe last week whatever the concept you have completed, regarding that concept I may ask you questions. If you are telling, then it's fine. There you are in a right path, that you are practicing, you are listening. Okay, if you are not telling means then somewhere there is a lack, you are not practicing. Okay, so you should think about why you are not able to so deliver the answer. You should analyze yourself and always be confident. Self confidence is a very important. Always be confident, you have to achieve your goal. This 4 months or 5 months, keep aside your friend circle. Okay, my request, like if you're having a friend circle like Saturday, Sunday, if you're going out, keep everything aside like 5 to 6 months. If you want to achieve something, you have to limit it to your workings or outside, whatever the things you are doing, you have to limit it to that. And Saturday, every Saturday you can visit to our institute in Kukatpalli. There is an institute, you can visit to institute, you can practice. Okay, we can discuss one on one. Okay, if you have questions, okay, you can approach me. Okay, we have mentors also available. Okay, there is so much is there. Offline Saturday, you can make it as a Saturday, at least alternative Saturday. uh, Suppose if you are friends, you should come, everyone should come. If there is one person is coming, then other person, I am always in an institute, but the thing is, you should be, whatever you are spending 4 hours or 5 hours in the institute, it should be very productive. Like you should come, start practicing, and try to observe the screens, try to uh, deliver the concept whatever you have practiced. Okay, at least one session. Take one session to other people who are juniors. You have to explain what is the particular concept. So it is a preparation for the interview. There is no separate preparation for the interview, so that it will be very easy by the time you get any call, interview calls. So readiness is very important. Okay. So total I'm expecting from your side, maximum is the 6 months, minimum is the 4 months. 2 months course, 2 months is the another 2 months is the interviews tracking. Okay. Still I'm telling you, if you follow my course, okay, if you follow my instruction, guidance, everything, 99% there is a chance to crack a job independently. I am very honest with my subject, whatever I'm training you. But you have to follow, you have to deliver the way I am going to tell you. Until unless you are not going to practice, you are not going to follow, it is very impossible. It takes a time, longer time. Okay, and April, May, June. From July onwards, July, August, September, October, November, you have the huge openings will be there. So that is a hiring season. Okay, and not required to write any notes as well. We have the documents, every document is available. I'll be providing you. Just you can maintain a notepad. Always make sure that you maintain a notepad, not any notebook. We are in a digital world. Always make it a any note. Just keep it a date and make sure you write down here in notepad. Save it in your mobile. Save it in your laptop. Whenever you have a free time, just go through that notepad. Okay. So this is a simple one overview. So like what is the course? Okay. In the course also, what are the modules we are going to cover it? Let me go through that one. Okay. Modules we are going to cover GL, AP, AR, cash management, FK. Your core module should be AP. Okay. These are the implementation project you have to tell. And GL. So in reality, as a consultant, you will not work with all the modules. For any project, you will work with the two modules or one module. It mix up. It depends on the project. Okay. Now we are starting with the GL module, basic one. Next AP. AP is a subledger module where suppliers and invoices will be payments will be involved. AR is the reverse one to the AP. Here we have the suppliers. In AR we have the customers. Okay, and receipts. Cash management is the bank one where the reconciliation part is involved. And FA, fixed assets. Make sure FA is the least priority. FA is a tricky one. You should tell always only you worked on the support project. I'll tell you the why, because I have gone through the so many interviews, I have gone through the experience. Okay, always if you learn out of these 5 modules, okay, core module AP, okay, keep it one as a core module that you have to know end to end process. There are so many things that you have. If interviewer is asking from AP side, we have to hold that particular interview only in AP module. Then you have to get a success. But interview has to be cleared. If you are holding that particular interviewer, but only on the AP module. Sometimes they require only AP module, accounts payable module. Then you can say you have the good experience of the accounts payable module. Then AR. GL is okay, it is a reporting purpose. Okay, this we can tell it basic one. But AP is a core module where you have the so many questions. And we have the questions also. We have thousands or 2000 questions we have. But nowadays, most of the time they are asking the scenario based question. Until unless you observe the each and every screen, you follow the instruction, you will come to know any scenario you need to, as a consultant, you should aware of it. If any scenario comes, you should think a couple of seconds and answer it. Don't answer directly, no, I did not work, I worked, I forgot. Just think, just ask a couple of seconds to reminder. Okay, you should take some time. Okay, whatever you are telling, that interviewer has to be impressed. Okay, these are the 5 modules we are going to cover. These are the 4 I will cover it. Okay, 4 I will cover it. Now I want to explore for your batch only, morning batch. I am going to try intercompany if the time permits. Okay, if the time permits. Okay, intercompany expense module. At least basic things I want to cover it for this these 2 modules. So at least in the resume you can keep these 2 modules also, so that your profile will get an weightage. Okay, at least basic things. What is the intercompany? Okay, what you will work in the intercompany? What is the expense module? What are the basic things you would do in the expense module? Who will use the expense module? Basic thing. So that you will have the almost, if you will keep it 5 plus 2 7, but your core modules are these ones 4. These are the advantage. These 3 are the, you can tell that you worked on only in support projects. If any question is coming from the intercompany, you have to tell. So this I will explore it in this batch only. I'm going to explore, so that maybe other batches also I'll try, because as of now most of the companies are asking intercompany. Okay, intercompany, at least not expense module. I'll try for intercompany. My priority will be intercompany, because companies are asking, is there any consultant who is working on intercompany experience? So if you keep intercompany also in the resume, if you are aware of it, whatever I am telling, okay, then it will be advantage for it. Okay, and moreover, freelancing. Freelancing opportunities in the Cloud Finance Guru Institute. Okay, I am bringing up a new era, like no other institute. Okay, as of now there is no other institute who is providing a freelance opportunities to the students who are completed their course. Okay, after taking a mock sessions, if they are passing, okay, I will take a mock session, I will take a mock interviews. If they are going to clear that mock session, I am going to provide a freelancing opportunity. Okay, means you can start your freelancing opportunity after completing your course, after you clear your interview in the institute. Okay, you will get one project. Okay, suppose my plan is like, I want to give one project to 2 students, where they can earn 50 to 60K and they can share it, and they will get the real time hands-on experience. Okay, and they will work with the freelancing opportunity, as well as they will prepare for their interviews. If they get any opportunity, this freelancing opportunity will move to another students who need it. So this is a best opportunity, best idea, I got it. So maybe this month there is a 2 opportunities I am looking up. One is the intercompany. That's what I am putting here. There is one of the big topmost MNC company, they are looking for intercompany. I am going to explore it. Okay, if I get, and moreover, I am not going to take anything from this freelancing. I'll get the freelancing opportunities, I'll hand over to you who are able to clear my interview, whatever I'm taking, at least basic one. I'll be there in institute. You have to come to institute and you have to work. Okay, laptop will be provided by the client. Okay, you have to work in the institute. Your pay will be on 31st or 1st, like whenever I get a pay from the clients, I'll provide it. 30K, 40K for individual, it is a very high package. before you are getting your consultant job, if you are having this freelancing opportunity, it is a good thought and good opportunity. I am praying a lot. If you get any opportunities, then if we succeed with the 2 projects, then we will have the many more projects that will come in the future. Okay, these are the modules we'll see, and there are many things we want to discuss. I have not gone to the any subject wise, just what is the process, how we can achieve it. Everything is possible. There is no call the impossible. Okay. Any questions you have, you can reach out to me through WhatsApp or anybody, anything, you can call me. So this from tomorrow onwards, we'll starting from the, again, I'll start with the modules. So these modules, I'll start it. Then why, where, how, which company, everybody. Now, okay, I forgot. So, like, everybody knows the fortunate companies, 500 fortunate companies. You heard it, this one? Anybody? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Fortune 500 companies. Hello. Am I audible? Venkat, Naveen, Anmant, Narendra. Am I audible?
Yes, Bala, I can hear you.
Yeah. So now this Oracle Fusion, presently it is in 130 fortunate companies. Out of 500 fortunate companies, topmost out 500 companies, it is in a 130 companies are using as of now. Now, anybody is aware of the Sneha Chicken Center? Anybody? You can answer it. Apollo?
Yes. Yeah,
Apollo Hospital.
Yeah, Apollo. Yes.
So Oracle Fusion, these are the Sneha Chicken Center, Apollo Hospital, okay, Omni Hospitals. Okay, these are the people, these are the companies they are using the Oracle Fusion now, as of now. Okay, so this Oracle Fusion is a not only with the manufacturing, it is a service based manufacturing companies. Every company can use it because, as I told you, it is involved in the SCM, HCM, financials, everything. Okay, user friendly application. Cost base also very limited. Okay, and there is a EBS existing application, Oracle one. Okay, this EBS is will be decommissioning on 2036. Okay, 2036 is the deadline for the EBS existing ERP application, which is the Oracle product only. Earlier, before Oracle Fusion, EBS is the product that customers are using. Now, slowly customers are moving to from EBS to Oracle Fusion. Okay, after 10 years, everybody will only be using the Oracle Fusion Financials, only Oracle Fusion product, because clients are loving it. This application very uh, user friendly, as well as Oracle has doing updating or upgrading. Every quarter, Oracle is releasing new features. So new features means any software, any ERP application, as of now, there is no call that is a updating or upgrading a every quarterly based features. Suppose if you observe, if you purchase any product, let's take a mobile, okay, let's take up anything, okay, whenever you purchase a mobile, whatever the, so they have designed it, it will be forever until unless that software version is the yearly wise or 6 months. The features are same. Now Oracle is implementing as per the customer feedbacks, as per the customer requirements. Oracle is designing a new features to improve their efficiency with the customers. Suppose suppliers need, okay, direct invoices to get into Fusion. They can scan it directly, that invoice will come into the Oracle Fusion. There is an idea process, automation process. Features. So as per the clients, as per the business requirement, they are slowly adding the features. Every 3 months, they are adding a features and they are releasing in the market. We can call it as a patch releases. Okay. Here the Oracle Docs is there. Now this is our application. Okay. This is a test instance. We will get the URL ID. This is the instance. Okay. Test one. So you can see so many products, like so many modules: supply chain management, contract, order management, procurement. We will have payables, general accounting, receivables. Okay, procurement, fixed assets, tools, reports, analytics. Okay, technical side. Okay, there's so many things are available. This is a instance that you will also get it. Okay, and in Oracle we have always go through the Oracle docs. Okay. So many things are in Oracle. This is a page where you can go it. Okay. If you want to go to integrations, you can go it. Adapters. I want to go to adapters. Integrations. You can see it. What are the integrations are available? Or AWS Simple Quest. So many things are there. Certification matrix. Let me go through. Financials, all books. Click on what's new. You can see the what are the new features available. Let's click on financials, what's new, and 26B. Like January, February, March is the 26A. Okay, April, May, June is the 26B. A, B, C, D we will have. Okay. You can see like I want to go with the credit to cash. Just click on revenue management, receivable invoice processing. Just I want to click on the receivable invoice processing. Okay. Automated revenue recognition for sales invoice with the prepayment application, receivable invoice installment. Okay. So earlier, okay, 1 year back, there was no prepayment option in the receivable. Okay. Now last 25 B, I think. Okay, 25B, they have also implemented prepayment option in the AR side as well. Okay, you can go through it, these documents, very lengthy documents, but it give you knowledge. But focus on your, whenever you get a free time, just go through it, but don't be stick to these documents. Your focus should be our training. Once you complete our training, slowly you can move to these things where you can explore it. Okay. Any questions, please ping me personally. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start like sharp, we'll start it 1 hour session, and once we complete, I will load it. Okay. Make sure you have laptop, you have internet. Okay. Until unless you have laptop, you have internet, we cannot practice. Sessions you can attend, but you have to practice. Okay. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Okay. Let's connect tomorrow. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please ping me personally. Okay. All right. Thank you.